Your dryer may be stopping due to several reasons. A worn-out dryer motor can overheat, activating the thermal switch overload and shutting down the dryer. To resolve this, inspect the motor and replace it with a new one if necessary. Blocked dryer vents can also cause the dryer to stop, as hot air accumulates and triggers a thermal overload. Inspect the vents and remove any obstructions using a vent cleaning brush or vacuum. A dirty or defective moisture detector can incorrectly signal the dryer to shut down while the clothes are still wet. Check the detector, clean it, and replace it if it's damaged or defective. Power issues, such as tripped circuits or a damaged power cord, can also stop the dryer. Check the circuit breaker and fuse, and replace them if necessary. Inspect the power cord for any damage and repair it. Additionally, a broken door switch can prevent the dryer from running, as it cannot sense whether the door is closed or open. Inspect the door switch and replace it if it's broken. By addressing these potential issues, you can identify and fix the problem with your dryer.